What if I told you there's a way to unlock success, not through talent or luck, but through mastering human connection? A way to win trust, overcome worry, and communicate with impact? This is the legacy of Dale Carnegie, a pioneer in personal development whose wisdom has stood the test of time. Let's start with his masterpiece, How to Win Friends and Influence People. Published in 1936, this book isn't just a guide, it's a philosophy for building lasting relationships and influence. Carnegie gave us simple, practical tools to connect with others. First, don't criticize, condemn, or complain. Criticism puts people on the defensive, it builds walls, not bridges. Second, give honest and sincere appreciation. Everyone craves recognition. By genuinely valuing others, you create loyalty and trust. And finally, talk about what others want. To inspire someone, focus on their goals, not your own. These principles are more than words, they're tools to transform how you lead, how you work, and how you connect. Imagine a world where you focus on understanding others before trying to be understood. But what about life's biggest roadblock, worry? Carnegie tackled this universal challenge in How to Stop Worrying and Start Living. He believed that worry wastes energy, creates unnecessary stress, and stops us from living fully. Carnegie's golden rule: live in day-tight compartments. Focus only on today, what you can control right now, and let go of the past and the future. He also encouraged facing problems head-on, analyze the worst that could happen, accept it, and then work to improve it. This three-step method shifts fear into action. And lastly, focus on gratitude. Carnegie believed that gratitude shifts your mindset from scarcity to abundance, freeing you from the grip of anxiety. Imagine replacing sleepless nights with peace, not by changing the world around you, but by transforming the way you think. Carnegie's genius extended to another critical area: public speaking. In the quick and easy way to effective speaking, he shattered the myth that great speakers are born, not made. According to Carnegie, confidence comes from preparation, passion, and practice. Start small. Begin with casual conversations or small groups. Speak often. Repetition builds muscle memory and reduces fear. Stay sincere. Speak about what you care about. Your passion will inspire others. Carnegie also taught the art of storytelling, using real-life examples and emotions to captivate your audience. Whether you are presenting to a boardroom or sharing an idea with friends, your ability to connect emotionally is what makes your message unforgettable. Dale Carnegie's principles extend far beyond books, they are guides for everyday life. Whether you are leading a team, building a career, or strengthening relationships, his wisdom reminds us that success comes not from power or wealth but from empathy, connection, and the courage to grow. Here are some questions to reflect on. When was the last time you made someone feel genuinely appreciated? Are you focusing on what you can control today, or are you caught up in the what ifs? And most importantly, how can you inspire and connect with others through your words and actions? At its heart, Carnegie's work is a call to action. Be curious. Be kind. Be courageous. Whether it's improving your relationships, conquering your fears, or finding your voice, his lessons remind us that transformation begins with small, deliberate steps. Think about this. When was the last time you made someone feel appreciated? When did you last stop worrying about things beyond your control and focus on what you can change today? These are the questions that define Carnegie's teachings, and they can redefine your life. Dale Carnegie's wisdom has transformed lives for nearly a century, and it's never been more relevant than today. So, take his lessons to heart, focus on others, let go of worry, and speak with confidence. Because the world needs your voice and your best self.